Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you don't find your all praises to Allah. We thank you Allah every time. Doing start my talk. First of all, name of Allah. Good morning, all of you. Friends, actually I have been practicing speak English language since 3 months. I can't speak English language fluently, but I trying every day. So my friends, mm, first of all I give my identity. Okay. Actually, I am a teacher at Madrasa Nurin department. I'm not an English teacher, but just Arabic teacher. My background is Arabic, not English. So English is speaking very difficult for me. So, but don't worry, and I'm practicing every day. Oh, and I will be practicing speak English language every day. Please, my friend, please support me. Um, Request I do request to you, so please support me and help me. Please, you watching this video, please you watching my video every day. Please, my friend, actually, I am new member of English platform. I am new member academy, new member. I'm not English background to English, but I new member of English platform. So please adjust your new friend list me, and I want to learning speak English. So continue. I will continue my work and continue my speak English practicing. So please um, with me, always with me. So I hope Allah is always with me. So I hope one day I can speak English language fluently, but that's uh, uh, I have to practicing every day. Don't worry, and please, my friend, my talk is very bad and my talk is very unclean, unclear. So please, my friends, don't worry and don't mind. Actually, I practicing speak English. Actually, this time my practice time, I do practice good morning and evening and night. Every time I practice speak English. So my friend, please don't worry and don't mind. I want to continue my work and continue my practice speak English. One day I can speak English language fluently, but I think I did think 2 3 months ago. I want learn speak English. I want learn speak English. So I did start my mission, and this now I can speak English language something, but not fluently and not very smoothly and not really clear my talk. I can something speak English. So you look this my video, look this my speak. So please, my friend, don't worry, don't mind, and don't mind, my friends. So tata, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.